Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Nexxus Sulfate-Free Hair Scrub, an exfoliating scalp scrub designed to nourish and clarify your hair while being free of silicone, dyes, and parabens. This 10-ounce hair scrub promises to deliver a salon-quality experience right at home. Let's break down the product. The Nexxus hair scrub is formulated to gently exfoliate the scalp, removing skin and hair residue to purify both your scalp and hair. It features a powerful protein infusion called Nexxus H4 Complex, aimed at visibly healing signs of hair damage while restoring the 4 vital signs of hair health: strength, elasticity, shine, and moisture. For those of you looking for a detox solution, this product aims to cleanse and rebalance your scalp by eliminating impurities, including product and oil buildup. My experience with this scrub has been positive. Setting it up was straightforward. Simply apply it to a damp scalp, massage gently, and rinse. It felt refreshing and invigorating on my scalp. The scrub's texture is gritty enough to provide a good exfoliation without being too harsh, which is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp. When it comes to performance, this scrub does its job well. After using it, my hair felt lighter, cleaner, and more vibrant. I noticed a significant reduction in buildup, particularly after a few days of using heavy styling products. The scent is pleasant yet subtle, making the experience enjoyable without being overwhelming. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Nexxus hair scrub effectively exfoliates and purifies the scalp, leaving hair feeling revitalized. Its sulfate-free formula is also a plus for those of us conscious about harsh chemicals. However, the downside is that some users may find the price point slightly higher than similar products on the market. Comparing this to other scalp scrubs, Nexxus stands out due to its unique H4 complex, which is not commonly found in other products. Some alternatives like the Shea Moisture Scalp Scrub offer similar cleansing benefits at a more budget-friendly price, which could be appealing if you're looking to save a bit. As for value for money, considering the quality and effectiveness, I believe it offers a fair return for the investment. The materials used feel premium, and the overall construction is solid, with no visible issues regarding durability. User-friendliness is another strong point. The scrub is easy to apply and doesn't require any complicated processes. Plus, I've had positive interactions with Nexxus's customer support when I had questions about their product line, with quick response times and helpful advice. In terms of real-world testing, I've used it in conjunction with the Clean and Pure Detox shampoo, as suggested, and it has worked wonders together. My hair feels rejuvenated after every wash, highlighting the benefits of using complementary products. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us create more great content for you. Now, for my final verdict, the Nexxus Sulfate-Free Hair Scrub is a solid choice for anyone looking to detoxify and rejuvenate their scalp and hair. I would recommend it, especially to those who frequently use styling products or have an oily scalp. It's great for all hair types, making it versatile for most users. In terms of longevity, this product has proven reliable in my routine, maintaining its effectiveness over multiple uses. It's worth noting that Nexxus has received praise from outlets like Good Housekeeping, reflecting its high-quality formulation. For those looking for cheaper alternatives, brands like Not Your Mother's and Tresemme offer excellent scalp scrubs that still get the job done without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase the Nexxus hair scrub in the comments below. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your thoughts if you've tried it already.